Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today I'm going to draw Marge Simpson from The Simpsons, also featuring in Fortnite at the moment. Let's do a full body shot. I'm going to go in the centre, about here. I'm going to start off with her nose. So let's just draw a nice, looks like a reverse C for the nose. So that's going to go from about there. We're going to go draw a nice curve that way. And then next to that I'm going to draw two eyes. So I'm going to go over on the right first of all, just above the nose. I'm going to draw a nice curved circle there. And on the left, probably just near the nose back here, nice circle there. Let's pop a little dot for an eye there, a little dot for an eye there, and then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 for her eyelashes. Okay, just underneath that, on the left, I'm just going to draw a little, looks like a little C this time, for her ear. And then what I'm going to do, just fill in a little bit inside, and then I'm going to come up and draw the inside of her hairline. So I'm going to go draw right up close to it, nice and sort of bubbly. 1, 2, 3, and then curve down to the eye. And then I can come out and draw her signature hair. So I'm going to come out, just nice curves, make it nice and bouncy. That's it, curve it around, go up to the top, a few big ones at the top there, and then we'll just come down, nice or bubbly, bouncy hair. All the way down to just below that eye there, there we go. What I'm going to do now is just draw in that mouth. So I'm going to come down from the eye about here, come downwards, and then curve around like this. Draw that sort of friendly smile of Marge's. There we go. And then you can see a little bit of ear just popping around over that side. And then I can draw her mouth and sort of the lower chin to her neck. I'm going to come down just a diagonal there and then come downwards this way. And over on this side, curve in, down about there. I'm starting to get that Marge look, right? Around her neck here is a beaded necklace. Now this is just a bunch of circles, right? Let's start off about here. One there, another one there, and let's draw another couple either side. And then we start just going around the side of Marge's neck. This sort of obscured circles just going round. There we go, around the outside there. And then we've got that signature Marge necklace. Next up, let's draw her shoulders. So I'm gonna sort of go from the bottom of the necklace here, come out, down to about there. And on this side, I'm gonna come out from the left, from about here, just come outwards here. And we're just gonna bring the pen downwards there and curve it ever so slightly for an elbow there. Okay. Next up, what I'm going to do is about here, I'm just going to draw the top of Marge's dress. Going to sort of come in here and just sort of cut a line about there. Now I've got that, I can actually come out a little bit further diagonal ever so slightly. And I can come in where her arm is here, so just bring it in ever so slightly, a taper just there. What I can do here now is just draw the dress line down here. So from here, taper it in at the waist and then out to about here. And now I've got that line, I can just match this part up. So I've got thumb area here, so I'm gonna curve out around there. Then I've got sort of like one finger nice sort of oval, 2, and then a third just coming around here, 3, so about there, and then I can just join that up. So just join up that on there, and then here we can just come up, join up to the crease there. Cool. Now I can continue the rest of this dress here. So I'm gonna just curve it there, in at the waist, out to the hip, and down this way. And then just curve out there. And then from the waist here, sort of curves out where the fingers are there. And then we'll just curve downwards this way, out there. And we'll just join that up. Nice curve like that. Let's finish off this part of the arm. So what we can do here, we can come upwards this way, to the wrist, to the palm, and then it comes up and around to a thumb. Underneath here, we just go a little bit lower where the dress is there, come out here, curve around somewhat, and then bring it up to the wrist. If we go out this way, we'll curve around here, around this way, and join it up there. And then what we can do is just sort of draw in 1, 2 little lines there for fingers. And then I've got the feet over here. So I've got from the right, I'm going to come down where the leg is this way, curve around where the foot is, back around with a shoe like that. And then if I probably go in from about this point, come down this way here, it's got like a little heel on into your shoe area there, and then I can just draw a nice little curve there where her shoe is there. On this side, about that point, just come down this way here to the heel there. And then the other side, probably about here, we come down, we come outwards where the shoe is there, come around to the heel. And then the same sort of thing, we can just draw a nice curve around where a shoe is there. And there we go. That is Marge Simpson from The Simpsons. Hope you like what you've seen. Let me know who else I can draw from the new season, and I'll see you again soon. All right, bye for now.